Conasa Jarfa and Albert Sho as Gaeilge. Did you leave yesterday to visit them? Well, firstly, we need to get did you leave. A little trick for you here. If I'm saying you left, it's going to be dog too, because all the ones beginning with F or vowels will take D apostrophe in the past. But if I'm in the negative or in questions, I can't have that D apostrophe. Therefore, you didn't leave, near Ogtu, and did you leave, in this case, Ogtu, no D apostrophe. Did you leave yesterday, Ogtu in ye? Then I'm going to have to use hun. Why? Because I'm implying it to, as in order to do something, in order to visit them. So hun, to visit them, there is no verb for visit in Irish. We have to say to give a visit on someone. So I just look at to give a visit firstly, same as to do the work on ober a yenu. So to give a visit, court a hort, on them, erhu, one of your big 5 prepositions which you need to know off by heart to feel confident speaking the language. Eg, le, do, and o. So altogether, did you leave yesterday to visit them? Ogtunye hun courts a horts erhu.